Okay, now here is something which is not cool about Samsung's software update. This guy here, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, a Snapdragon variant phone, is the latest flagship device launched by Samsung this year. And when I go to settings and tap on software update and check the last update, it shows we have the security patch level for May 2022. And when I tap on download and install, I still do not see the security patch for June 2022. Of course, we all can understand it might take a few days for Samsung to roll out the update for the S22 Ultra, the latest flagship from Samsung. Now, this guy here, this is a mid-range phone, the Galaxy A52 4G version. This was launched last year, and on this phone, I got a notification that the latest software update is already available. And guess what? This is the security patch level for June 2022. Now, this is something I don't really understand, why Samsung delays the update on the latest flagship, whereas it has already offered the security patch for the mid-range. I'm sure some of the regions have already got the update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, in my region, the A52, the mid-ranger, has got the June security patch, but not the S22 Ultra Snapdragon variant. That is something which I believe Samsung has to look into and offer the latest updates as quickly as possible for the latest flagships. They delayed the software update for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra for the last 2 months, at least in my region, and finally we have received the update there. But now seeing this update on the A52 and not seeing it on Galaxy S22 Ultra is something which I'm not liking. Anyways, now this A52 has got a huge update this time. The size is about 853.55 MB. It's a security patch level for 1st June 2022, and in the changelog it talks about overall stability of your device, which has been improved. The security of your device has been improved, new or enhanced features, further improvements. And at the bottom, it also has mentioned caution. You won't be able to use your phone during the update, even for emergency calls. Some settings may change after the update. This update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case. This is good to see here. Now, this huge update of 853.55 MB may bring in stability and maybe battery performance improvement. So let's wait and see that. I haven't updated it yet. I was really surprised to see this update on this device and not on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so I thought I'll make a quick video and share my thoughts about it with you guys. So let me know, what do you think about it? Have you also experienced such delays on your latest flagship phones or latest mid-range devices? Do drop a comment. Now, after I update this device, I will come back to you and let you know if there are any new features. Meanwhile, you can also download this update and install it on your device and let me know, or drop a comment mentioning if you have found any new changes. Also, let me know how has this device been performing. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. You all take care and stay safe. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.